This is just a basic tutorial on how you can change colors when you're working with single crochet stitches. For this tutorial, I'm using a size 4mm crochet hook and a 4-ply acrylic yarn. You can use any hook size and yarn you have available. This is only for practice. I've already worked 2 rows of single crochet stitches. You can do that as well. And we're going to change the color of a yarn on the second row at the very last stitch. Once you've reached your last stitch, you're going to insert your hook into that stitch and pull up a loop. And now we're going to switch over to a different colored yarn. Now you're going to take the new colored yarn, place it over your hook and pull it through both loops on your hook to finish that stitch. Tug on those strands to secure your stitch. Chain 1, turn your work and continue with your single crochet stitches. Pull up the tail and non-working yarn and place it behind your stitches. Insert your hook into that first stitch and go under the non-working yarn and the tail. Yarn over the working yarn and pull a loop through your stitch. Yarn over and pull it through both loops to complete your first single crochet stitch. Okay, let's do that again. You're going to insert your hook into that next stitch, go under the non-working yarn and the tail, yarn over the working yarn, pull it through the stitch, and then yarn over and pull it through both loops on your hook. I will do another detailed tutorial on tapestry crochet with multiple colors, so keep an eye out for that. A quick tip to remember: if you find that your non-working yarn is sticking out of your stitches, simply tug on the other end of the non-working strand and that should solve the problem. That's it. That's all you need to know when you're working different colors with single crochet stitches. To those of you who have subscribed to my channel, thank you so much. I appreciate your love and support. And if you've enjoyed today's tutorial, give me a like and share, and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos as well. That's it for today. Enjoy your day and your evening, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Goodbye.